नमस्ते दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है सौरभ सर क्लासेस में। आज हम क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड में से कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। जैसे कि हमें पता है कि क्वांट्स इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पोर्शन इन एनी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन एंड इट इज द मोस्ट बोरिंग पोर्शन आल्सो as it requires only your basic numerical and mathematical skills like from class 6 to class 10. So people are used to get enough score to increase their total marks. ठीक है, तो चलिए अब शुरू करते हैं और देख लेते हैं कि पहला क्वेश्चन क्या दिया गया है। We are given that cos square alpha plus cos square beta is equals to 2, then we need to find tan cube alpha plus sine to the power 5 beta. Now we already know that cos theta is in between plus 1 to minus 1. So this implies cos square theta is in between 0 to 1. So the condition cos square alpha plus cos square beta is equals to true holds if alpha is equals to beta is equals to 0. That is, cos alpha is equals to cos beta is equals to 1. Now tan cube alpha plus sine to the power 5 beta is equals to tan cube 0 plus sine to the power 5 0, that is nothing but 0. So option B is the right answer. Now let's take the next question. ABCD is a rhombus whose side AB is equals to 4 centimeter and the angle ABC is 120 degree. Then we need to find the length of the diagonal BD. Suppose this is our required rhombus with diagonals A, B, C, D, and the angle ABC is 120 degree. And we know that two diagonals of a rhombus is nothing but the perpendicular to each other. The diagonals of rhombus is perpendicular to each other. Therefore, angle AOB is equals to 90 degree. Now, in triangle ABC, angle AOB is equals to 90 degree. Angle ABO is equals to angle ABC divided by 2, which is 120 divided by 2, that means 60 degree. Hence it is pretty much obvious that angle OAB is also 60 degree. Sorry, angle OAB is 30 degree. Okay. So it is clear that triangle ABD is an equilateral triangle. Triangle ABD is equilateral triangle. Because in triangle ABD, the angle DAB is equals to angle DAO plus OAB. Now it is equals to DAO is 30 degree and we already have angle OAB is equals to 30 degree, so angle DAB is equals to 60 degree. Now angle DO is 30 degree because angle ADO is angle ADO is 60 degree, that is half of 120 degree, and angle DOA is 90 degree. So uh, that is that from this we get that angle DAO is 30 degree. Okay, so angle DAB is 60 degree in the triangle ABD, and angle ABD is 60 degree. So the remaining angle, that is angle ADB, is obviously 60 degree. So triangle ABD is an equilateral triangle. So the side AB is equals to BD is equals to AD, and we already know by the question that AB and AD is equals to 4, therefore BD is also equals to 4. So the length of the diagonal is 4 centimeter. Now let's take the next question. A person can row 7.5 km per hour in still water, and he finds that it takes uh, him twice as long to row up as to row down. Now we need to find the speed of the stream. Okay. So assume that the speed of the stream is x kilometer per hour, and length of the rowing portion is suppose y kilometer. Now in still water a person can row at the speed of 7.5 km per hour. Therefore it takes in 1 hour he covers 7.5 kilometer. Okay, in 1 hour he covers 7.5 kilometer, or we can say that 7.5 kilometer, to cover 7.5 kilometer he needs one hour. Therefore to cover y kilometer he need y by 7.5 hour. Okay, in still water. Now in stream with streaming speed x kilometer per hour, okay, so in rowing up his rowing speed increases x kilometer per hour, so it results in 7.5 plus x kilometer per hour. In rowing down is rowing speed decreases x kilometer per hour, so it results in 7.5 minus x kilometer per hour. Now we can say that he needs y by 7.5 kilometer 7.5 plus x hour to row up, and y by 7.5 minus x hour to row down. Now by the question the time needs to row down is twice of the time needs to row up. Now from this equation we just need to find the value of x. So y already cancels out. We get 7.5 plus x is equals to 15 minus 2x. So 3x is equals to 15 minus 7.5. Okay, and this results in 7.5. So the value of x is 5 by 2, that means 2.5 kilometer per hour is the streaming speed. So option C is the correct answer. So we have successfully solved 3 questions, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about quantitative aptitude, then you can join our classes. So feel free to contact us in these two numbers, 9836793076 or 9874822756. And for further details, you can check our website, which is www.saurabhsclasses.com. Thank you very much.